Flying till I fall out of the skyline. Crawling till there's no time left at all tonight. And no until you tell me that I'm wrong. I shouldn't have been anybody else. Shouldn't have been anybody else but my own self. Oh, da-da-da.
Was that my call? I'm recording. Hi! Hi, Brianna.
Come on, somebody speak for us. This is 21.
What do you want? Baby, I got it. What do you need? You know I got it. What you want? Baby, I got it. What you need? You know I got it. All I'm asking is for a little respect when you come home. Just a little bit, hey, baby, just a little bit. Just a little bit, mister, just a little bit. I ain't gonna do you wrong while you're gone. I ain't gonna do you wrong 'cause I don't wanna. All I'm asking is for a little respect. Just a little bit, baby, just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Drop and give me 50.
Just a little bit.
Go, go, go. One.
Give it.
Private.
I give up.
Dude,
Individual tonight.
come on. You can do it. 1, 2. Dude, you're weak, soldier. You're weak.
I know.
Come on, Private Smith. You know what's really funny right now?
What?
Is I'm recording.
You're recording. You're taking pictures, you bum. Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna send this to you, Sergeant.
No, you're not.
Oh, I am.
No, you're not.
Oh, I am.
I work hard. You can't. And it drove. I drove. I just want to like push up right now. Like 50. Make it count.
Yep.
So you can stop recording now. I know I'm not all there, but this I was reading, and it makes sense to me.
What book is it?
It's this one, In the Dressing Room with Brenda. A fun and practical guide to buying smart and looking great.
How do you look great,
Are you
Chica?
recording me?
No.
Yeah, you are. I don't believe you. Hold on, I get it.
Do what?
I lost my page. Page 5, I know that. Hold on. Listen to this, this is very important.
I'm listening.
Okay. Because page 5 is different than page 3. Oh wait, the life is fluid. Oh, she said something about divorce. What the fuck was it? There was somewhere in here. Hold on. I'll find it. No. Okay, there it is. It is page 3, not page 5. Then came a
Moment I wake up, before I put on my makeup, I say a little prayer for you. And while I'm combing my hair now, and wondering what dress to wear now, I say a little prayer for you. Forever and forever, you'll stay in my heart, and I will love you forever and ever.
Take time.